Hi guys, and welcome to our final video for Unit 1, Year 7. This is to help you with self-assessment. You can also use this slideshow presentation for peer assessment, where you look at another student's work and give them feedback. We will go through step by step on the sections of your magazine. But first of all, let's remind ourselves about the statement of inquiry. Beliefs about creation shape our identities, which can change over time. An important section of your magazine will be how your views have changed over time on the creation of the universe. Higher level students will also be able to talk about how their identity has changed and link their identity together with their views on creation of the universe. Everybody knows how the universe was created, but they find different ways of knowing how the universe was created. The 5 ways of knowing, or claims testers, we have used throughout this unit are intuition, authority, faith, logic, and evidence. Section 1. 100 words. Introduction. This explains what the article is about. You may like to use the statement of inquiry. Stop the video now and make sure you have written an introduction of about 100 words that explains what this article is about. Stop the video now. The next section asks you to investigate and include the views of one major world religion about the creation of the universe. Here, you should refer directly to at least one claims tester. If you can use 2 or more claims testers, a higher level student will show how these 2 or 3 claims testers work together to make the way of knowing stronger. You should not simply describe what the religion says about the creation of the universe. This will give you only a lower level answer. Stop the video now. Have you investigated and included the views of one major world religion about the creation of the universe? Stop the video now and check your work. The next section talks about how you interviewed an adult. Your adult may have a religious view, a scientific view, or an alternative view on the universe. Remember, this section should not simply tell us what the adult said, but should try to use the different claims testers. You should refer directly to 1, 2, 3, or more of the claims testers. A higher level answer will try to link the claims testers together. Stop the video now. Look at your work. Have you interviewed and included the views of one adult and refers directly to the claims testers? Stop the video now. Next section. Have you investigated and included the scientific view on the creation of the universe? You may refer to the Big Bang, but as we've seen, there are other views on the creation of the universe. For example, the Big Bounce. In this section, you should refer directly to the claims testers. You should not simply state what the theory says. This will give you a lower level answer. If you want a higher level answer, you will need to state directly 1, 2, 3, or more of the claims testers. For the highest level, you might like to explain how these claims testers work together to create a stronger way of knowing. Stop the video now. Have you investigated and included the views of the scientific origin story about the creation of the universe? Stop the video now and check your work. This is probably the section which will give you access to the highest levels. It talks about your personal and cultural expression. It lets you investigate and explain not only how, but why your view on the creation of the universe may have changed over time. As always, you should not simply state your views on the creation of the universe. You should refer directly to 1, 2, 3, or more of the claims testers. Higher level answers will show how the different claims testers are connected to each other and make your way of knowing stronger. In this section, we've seen the importance of logic. We've also thought about how your views on the creation of the universe have probably changed since you were 5, changed again when you were 8 or 9, changed again when you joined your secondary school in year 7, and they will probably change again as your life experiences increase. Stop the video now. Have you written a conclusion that gives your views on the question which is backed up by detailed reasons and examples? Has your view changed? Make sure you refer directly to the claims testers. Stop the video now and check your work. The claims testers are very important. So, you might like to check one more time. Have you used and referred to claim testers to help explain your own views and the viewpoints of others? Really, for this piece of work over the different viewpoints, you should really have referred to all 5 of the claims testers. These claims testers work together in harmony to create the person's personal and cultural expression. Stop the video now. Check your work one more time. Have you used and referred to all 5 claims testers to explain your view and the viewpoints of others on how the universe was created? Stop the video now and check your work. Finally, we will think one last time about the statement of inquiry. Beliefs about creation shape our identities, which can change over time. You might like to look at the 5 videos again that look at each claims tester. You might like to look again at the video that takes you through the CAT sheet. You might like to watch the video again which deals with part 2 of the action plan. Or you might like to look at the video again that looks at interviewing an adult. Finally, you could watch the video again which looks at how to create a magazine. Hey guys, I've really enjoyed making these videos and helping you to improve your grades. If you have found these videos useful and enjoyable, please give me the thumbs up. Leave a comment below, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I really hope I've helped you to enjoy this unit of work and to boost your grades.